हेडलाइंस आपने जानी। अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते गवर्नर स्टेट बैंक रजा बाकी तकरीब से खिताब करें। इस तकरीब में वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान भी मौजूद हैं।
Mr. Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, not only does this system revolutionize financial inclusion, it also helps achieve another goal that you hold very dear, Mr. Prime Minister, that of the fight against corruption. It does so, it helps us in this goal by reducing and eventually, hopefully, eliminating the need for cash. Cash is the lifeline of corruption. By making people move away from cash, not by compulsion, but by offering attractive alternatives, Rast will reduce the lifeline of corruption. And for this reason, Mr. Prime Minister, we have called our instant payment system Rast from the Urdu word Rahe Rast, or the direct way. It is the direct way because it is simple, safe, secure, and cost-free, and it is the right way to make payments in our country. Today's step, Mr. Prime Minister, is one step in our journey of digital Pakistan. It comes on the heels of several other initiatives taken by the State Bank of Pakistan under your leadership to promote your goal of bringing the financial system to the reach of Pakistanis who are not in it right now. Mr. Prime Minister, a few months ago, you asked us to come up with a way to make it easy for overseas Pakistanis to tap into our financial system, to send money here, to invest in our economic future. Under your leadership, we launched Roshan digital accounts. And Mr. Prime Minister, today more than 70,000 accounts have been opened in that. Every day, 500 to 1,000 accounts are being opened. And already about $280 million have been sent into these accounts. More broadly, Mr. Prime Minister, our remittances from overseas Pakistanis are at record-breaking levels. They've been about $2 billion every month since the beginning of this fiscal year, and year to date they're up 25%, another record-breaking development. Not only for our overseas Pakistanis, Mr. Prime Minister, I'm happy to report that domestically in Pakistan, we have had an explosion in the use of digital and online channels to make payments. During the first quarter of this fiscal year, the number of transactions through mobile banking channels rose to 36 million. This represents a growth of 140% over last year. If you look at the amounts that have been sent through these channels, they rose to 900 billion rupees in the first quarter of this fiscal year, and that was a growth of 200% over last year. These are phenomenal numbers for any country in its journey of digitalization. Now, looking beyond digital payments, Mr. Prime Minister, you also shared with us your vision that we need to mobilize our banks to support housing and construction. Today, Mr. Prime Minister, this sector is alive, and banks, and many bank presidents are here, they are looking for clients. Banks have trained and are training their employees to facilitate clients who come into their branches looking to benefit from your markup subsidy scheme to promote low-cost housing. We at the State Bank are helping banks in this journey and also are monitoring the progress towards this journey. I want to assure you, Mr. Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, that the State Bank of Pakistan will continue to innovate. It will continue to embrace opportunity to bring digitalization to our country and to bring the financial system to those who are not in it. Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly show you a video on Rast. But before I do so, I want to acknowledge some of our friends who have helped to make this possible. And I have to begin with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and their implementation partner, Karan Das. They have been our allies since this journey started, and Dr. Ishrat Hussain, who is also with us today, was instrumental at the beginning of this journey to push this. Second, I want to appreciate the support from Queen Maxima and her team, from the World Bank. I started this journey with the president of the World Bank when he came to the State Bank of Pakistan last year, and we launched the National Payment Strategy for Pakistan. I also want to thank the UK mission that has supported our goal of promoting financial inclusion more broadly. And Mr. Prime Minister, I want to acknowledge the team at the State Bank, which has been working tirelessly to bring this today to us. Our Deputy Governor, Seema Kamil, before that Mr. Jameel Ahmed, but most of all, our Director of the Payment Systems Department, Sohail Jawad, and his team, and they are the face and flesh of Rast. I want to thank the presidents of the banks who are here today, because they are going to be the front end. They are the ones who are going to make Rast possible at the end of the day. So I want to thank all of our friends and welcome to Rast.
नाज़रीन, इस वक्त आप देख
गवर्नर स्टेट बैंक रजा बाकी तकरीब से खिताब करें। मुल्क के पहले फौरी डिजिटल अदायगी के निज़ाम रास्त का इजरा की ये तकरीब है। वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान भी इसमें मौजूद हैं।
Pakistan's banking sector has been expanding since independence and has played a key role in offering financial services in the country. Conventional network of banks with online branches, interoperable ATMs, point-of-sales machines and branchless banking agents offer a wide range of services to the public, such as internet banking and mobile applications. Pakistan is one of few countries that also has its own domestic payment card scheme, PayPak, which has now gained sizable market share. Due to these initiatives, Pakistan has made promising strides over the last few years in digital banking. The volume and value of retail electronic banking transactions have almost doubled, despite various efforts by government and state bank. Around 50% of the adult population, mostly women, still lack access to formal financial services in Pakistan. Apart from this, people like to pay in cash because it is easier, widely acceptable and cheaper compared to other modes of payments. To address these issues and rapidly modernize their economies, countries are now increasingly deploying instant payment systems at retail level for domestic transactions. These new class of payment systems provide fast and cheap digital payment options to customers, just like cash. In 2020, State Bank, in partnership with Karandas Pakistan, a primary delivery partner of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, started work on the development and deployment of state-of-the-art instant payment systems. The system has been developed based on international best practices and standards with the aim of providing easy, convenient and faster payment services to the people of Pakistan. The system has been deployed at State Bank's deployment of a modern and instant payment system data center and will quickly and securely connect government departments, banks, businesses, corporates to digitize their payments with today's launch of its own state-of-the-art instant payment system. Pakistan enters a new era of digital transformation where every citizen can make and receive payments digitally with ease and convenience. Welcome to Rast, Pakistan's instant payment system. पल भर में, मुल्क भर में.
Thank you very much, Dr. Raza Bakir, for your welcome note and for this video. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now play a short message by the CEO of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Mr. Mark Sussman, who himself has been really instrumental and supportive for this initiative, Rast. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mark Sussman.
नाज़रीन, इस वक्त आप मुलाहिज़ा
मुल्क के पहले फौरी डिजिटल अदायगी के निज़ाम रास्त का इजरा कर दिया गया है। वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी तकरीब में मौजूद हैं। निज़ाम से सरकारी अदायगियों में गैर ज़रूरी ताख़ीर और मुश्किलात का खात्मा होगा। गवर्नर स्टेट बैंक की जानिब से ये बताया गया है। नए निज़ाम से बैंकों और मालियाती इदारों को भी फ़ायदा होगा। गवर्नर स्टेट बैंक रजा बाकिर की जानिब से इस हवाले से बाकायदा तौर पर आगाह किया गया। उन्होंने कहा रास्त निज़ाम से करप्शन के खात्मे में भी मदद मिलेगी और साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि निज़ाम से सरमायाकारी में गैर ज़रूरी ताख़ीर और मुश्किलात का खात्मा होगा। समंदर पार पाकिस्तानी अब तक 70,000 से ज़ायद इस हवाले से रजिस्ट्रेशन करा चुके हैं और मौजूदा हुकूमत की सरपरस्ती में मुल्क में डिजिटल बैंकिंग में तेज़ी से इजाफा हुआ है।
Fly with PIA and save gold. Register now. Scan QR code and register yourself to get gold and loyalty benefits.
Powered by ARY Sahulat Wallet.